What's going on, guys? Today you got Mark and Austin here from Street Styling and Detailing. Today we're going to be starting off our YouTube channel finally, something we've been wanting to do for a really long time. We're really excited to bring to you all these type of videos we're going to have about detailing cars, ceramic coating, basically how we got the company started, how we met. There's going to be a lot of stuff going on. But in today's first video we're going to be taking you into a deep dive of one of our friends' cars. It's just a basic in and out cleaning. It definitely needed some love. It's been a while, it hasn't been cleaned. So let's get right into it. Please, if you guys are new here, obviously, drop a like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see in the future. Like mentioned, today is just going to be a simple video. However, we are trying to start a series where we're going to be hosting at least a video a week, or posting a video once a week. It's going to just be basically everything we do. Since the company is now mobile detailing, we're going to be taking you guys on the road with us and showing you step by step how we clean cars and how we keep our customers satisfied.